Hey guys, welcome back. This is Faisal Khan from Voice Bootcamp, and in this particular lab I'm going to show you how to prepare UCCE server to ensure that they have the proper base setup that is required for the UCCE components to be installed. So to introduction, I'm going to show you how many servers I'm going to use. So I have my Active Directory. I have a dedicated server with admin server that is going to act as administration server. I have a dedicated server for my I'm going to use actually router and a logger. I have a dedicated server for logger B. I have a PGA and PGB as well. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 servers, and each one of these servers has to be member of Active Directory domain. So if I go to my admin server, I must make sure that I belong to member of so if I were to verify that this is what I need to make sure I have my computer name, I got my domain name, of course my IP addresses and so on. So now it is important that each server has a necessary network card. For example, if I go to my logger, I need to make sure that I have 2 network card in there. And here you can see I have 2 network interface. I got the public interface 142.164.51, and I got a private interface that is 192.168.100.51. It is important because we are going to set up a duplex setup. All right, so first thing first, I'm going to use admin server as my base. So when you look at the UCC tools folder right there, the first thing I'm going to do is, using the domain manager, create an instance. So here's my Active Directory. If you do not see your Active Directory listed here, possible is that you are not a member of a domain, or you have not logged in as a domain user. If you're not sure what is the username you are used to logged in, or it is already logged in, go to command prompt, type who am I, and that will tell you that you are logged in as corp/administrator. So that usually refer to the domain name. But again, every environment, the naming convention is different. If you want to add if you want to modify rather a different Active Directory, like a trusted one or forest, whatever, then you can of course click on this and select your own filter. Now I only have one, so I'm just going to use that. The first thing I'm going to do is add a Cisco route. Now it is important because entire domain you can only have one Cisco route.